Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Today let's solve this nice exponential Olympiad challenge, which read 1 over n equals to 27 to the power of n. We're looking for the possible value for n. So please, if you are new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscription button to encourage us and hit up the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop new videos on mathematics. So let's see how we can solve this nice exponential challenge. Solving this is very easy. So I'm going to show you one of the methods I will use in solving this. So I'll say solution. Okay, so having done this, I say 1 over n equals to 27 to the power of n. Okay, looking at this right hand side, we can see we're having 27 to the power of n. And looking at this left hand side, we're having n as a denominator number, and at this right hand side, we're having n to be a power number or a power value. So the first thing I'm going to do is to resolve this right hand side. So if I want to resolve this right hand side, I'm going to take the both power of 1 over n. So I'll say 1 over n, or to the power of 1 over n is equals to 27n, or to the power of 1 over n. Okay, having done this, here I'm going to apply the basic rule, indices rule, which says a to the power of c, or to the power of 1 over d, okay, is also equals to a to the power of c over d. So if I should put this rule here, I'll have this to be 1 over n, or to the power of 1 over n, equals to 27 n over n to the power of n over n. So you can see that this and this are the same, so they will easily go off. We're now having 1 over n, or to the power of 1 over n, equals to 27. Okay, having done this, this we can raise to the power. Okay, and if we want to raise this to the power, it's same thing as 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is going to give us 9, and 9 times 3 is going to give us 27, so which is also equals to 3 to the power of 3. So if we put this through here, we can say 1 over n, or to the power of 1 over n, okay, equals to 3 to the power of what? Of 3. So from here we can compare. So we can say 1 over n is equals to 3. So looking for n is equals to 1 over 3. So this is the value for n. So if you substitute this value into this, we are going to have the answer we are going to have here is going to be the same value here. So if we should do that, quickly, we'll say 1 over n is equals to 27 to the power of n, where n is equals to 1 over 2. So we're having 1 over 3 is equals to 27 to the power of 1 over 3. Okay, this will go up. 3 is equals to the cube root of 27, and the cube root of 27 is going to give us 3. So 3 is equals to 3. So the value for n equals to 1 over 3 is correct. It's correct. So if you find this video useful and interesting and applicable to your mathematical rule, please don't forget to click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. I love you. Bye bye, and Jesus loves you. Thank you.